Welcome to the J&J Auto Contest video of S1CE283. Today we have a 2001 Silverado 3500 Duramax. Cold start there, 261K on her. She's a nice unit though, guys. Took a hit to the left front, unfortunately, totaled her out. Oh man, the hood latched. What are the odds? Summit White's 373, which all Duramax dualies are. No 410s here, boys. Come on. 6.6 under the hood, really nice condition. Nothing, no blow-by. That's nice. That's a good motor, guys. Like I said, or maybe I didn't, Summit White, dually 373. We only have one good bedside on it, but it is OEM and it's not cracked. Not a repop. Work truck tailgate. Southern truck though, so the center section of the bed is actually good. I know a lot of you boys are gonna buy this thing. We got some spray bombed Eagle alloy wheels, which is unfortunate. Big monster mud motors, a bent pencil hitch. Save some for the rest of us, guys, because look at the size of that exhaust. Venom Power tires. Sucks this grill didn't make it. It's kind of badass. Oh, maybe these billet inserts did. I gotta put that on mine. All right, 261, 131. Duramax runs good. Climate control works. These mirrors are aftermarket power mirrors. This truck does not have power mirrors, so we can't really test them. We're just gonna have to say they're good. Power windows. Nice and fast. It's a rarity anymore. Boy, those are nice and fast. I like that. All right, guys. That's it though. That is going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of S1CE263. 283. Our 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. You guys know the gig here. Head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Bitcoin saves your wealth. Jesus saves your soul. Seatbelts save lives. Make sure you have all three. Thanks for watching.